Hello, financial fans. It is Thursday, and this is, I guess, the 2nd of December, and the market is having a good up day. Right now, my stocks are up 0.81, less than 1%, but almost 1%. And that's my portfolio. S&P 500 is up 1.57%, so they're up almost twice as much as mine. And the Dow Jones Industrials up almost 2%, so they're up well ahead of me. And NASDAQ is 0.75 increase in value for today, so it is a big up day on Wall Street. And NASDAQ is the only index that is following me right now, lower than my increase of 0.81%. I'm very happy with 0.81% increase. I did buy a stock since the last time I spoke with you, PBR, and let's see, I bought it on 11:30 on November 30th, and today that stock is up 5%, but we'll wait and see what happens in the future, if it ends up staying up or going down. I do believe the way the market has been driven by COVID news is probably about to come to an end. There will be more COVID news and more COVID proclamations and more COVID mandates and all that kind of stuff. But I think we're getting near, probably January would be the time it'll really start. Big time politics will drive the market. Who's going to be in control of the House and the Senate, and who looks best for 2024 for the presidency. I think that will be the news driving the market, and COVID will make news, but I don't think it is going to be the controlling factor anymore. Right now we're in the Christmas season. The retail merchants, what are they doing? Are they having a good season or not? And my stocks, I have 72 total stocks and ETFs, exchange traded funds, and stocks together come to 72 different issues that I have in my portfolio. And the stocks, I'll tell you first of all, the stocks that are down for me the most: Workhorse, WKHS, but I am holding on to Workhorse. I think that stock in a couple of years will be worthwhile, but it's down a little bit in my portfolio right now. It's down 78%. 78%, more than 3/4 of my value has dried up in Workhorse, but I'm holding on to it. Also, what is this? T2, TTOO is down 44% since I bought it. And those, I guess, are the only two stocks that are down more than 30%. I have other stocks that are down 20%, 10%, 5%, and so on. I do have a lot of down stocks that have lost value since I've owned them, but I have a few that are up. Amazon, AMZN, is up more than 30% since I bought it. CHY, that's the stock that's probably the best performer in some ways, in that it is a dividend stock. It pays a high dividend, CHY, and it's increased in value more than 40% since I bought it. Facebook has gone up 64% since I bought it. And okay, here's an interesting stock, Lucid, LCID. You might want to check that, LCID. By the way, I'm not recommending to buy these or sell these or hold them, whatever. I'm not a financial advisor. You will do your own research and decide if you want to get into the market after a year of study, or if not, or you never have to get into the market. It's not the only thing out there. There's all kinds of ways of making a living in this old world. But Lucid, LCID, electric vehicles. Today, Lucid is down 8%. It's in my portfolio and it's down 8% today. But while it is down 8% today, since I bought it, it's up 113%. so it's taking a little much needed rest, I guess. QCOM, QCOM is up more than 32% since I bought it. Sun, Sunoco, SUN is the symbol. Sun is up 34% since I bought it, plus it pays a real nice dividend. Tesla, TSLA, it's doing pretty well for me. It's up more than 65% since I bought it. So, my advice is just remember, it's like a sawtooth. It goes up, down, up, down, up, down, and it's going up while it's going up, down, up, down, up, down, or it's going down while it's going up, down, up, down, up, down. Just imagine the sawtooth pattern, and that's how most stocks go. They go up a little bit, they go down a little bit. They go. But you look at the long term. I'm a person who holds onto a stock for a year or longer, and sometimes the stock will go way down. One of the best performing stocks I ever had, I bought it at about $1.50 a share. It went down to under $1 a share. Then one day I woke up and checked the price, and it was up to about $1.50 again. I thought, what the heck's going on? Then next day it's up to $2 and it's up to $4. So I ended up selling it at $7. You never know with the market. It can fall apart, or it can do magical upward movements. And buy low, sell high, be patient, and don't become elated and don't become panicked. Buy when other people are selling. And with that in mind, I thank you very much for watching.